Mama Jones, Papa Jones, they the head ass gang. You gotta like and subscribe, and you gon' watch us, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else, 'cause this who channel we on.
What up, Mama Jones squad? Welcome to the shenanigans, you guys. And today, Mama Jones is with the shenanigans with this turkey. Yes, I am. But happy holidays to you all. I want to do a jerk turkey. I got the jerk sauce, but y'all know that girl finna get in creation mode. Y'all, and I'm actually cooking on Christmas Eve, y'all. Okay, now y'all know a girl birthday on Christmas. I normally don't cook, but I'm just gonna throw a little meal together. I'm gonna do some pork rice and some green beans and this jerk turkey I'm gonna put on the grill. But y'all know this jerk turkey gonna have a twist to it. So it's gonna be a drunken jerk turkey. So what I'm doing, I'm patting them down. Patting them on down. I washed him. He got water in it. He still got water coming up out of him. I'm gonna cut that off. But anyway, let's get into what I need to do. Now, I have all these peppers that I normally use to make manure. So I'm gonna create a sauce to go along with this. And we're gonna smoke that turkey on the grill. So I'm taking out about 5 of these Julia peppers. I guess I pronounced that right. And this the California chili pod here. So I'm gonna take out about 5 chili pods. And I'm gonna get these toasted herbal peppers. And we're gonna just get a handful of those, like that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, I need to get the seeds out. So, I'm gonna get the seeds out of here. And so I'm gonna just cut them and split them up to get the seeds out. We're gonna cut all these. Just split them up. So once I get these cut and split and cleaned, I'll be back to show you guys what I'm gonna do with them. So stay tuned. All right, gang, so I'm finna add these peppers to boil them. Try to get all the seeds out of there. I'm gonna let them get tender. Then I'm gonna pre-rear them. We're gonna let them come to a boil and get tender. So stay tuned. All right, gang. So I'm gonna add my peppers. Okay, so I added onion, garlic, celery, the jerk seasoning, spicy, the peppers. I'm creating this off the top of my brain. It's my birthday. So I'm gonna do what I want. So I'm adding a little kale syrup to it. The kale and a little of red wine vinegar. Give it maybe a tangy. I don't have no lemon, so I'm gonna use what I got, okay? Paste. Hey. All right, now I'm gonna blend it on up. Uh-oh, what's going on with this? Okay. Ooh, it's real spicy. I think I'm gonna hit it a little more. So. You wanna make sure your peppers is like blended kinda well. On over there to my turkey, baby. Stay tuned. I like creating. I like creating. We gonna make this drunken turkey, baby. This drunken bad boy. I'll put him on the grill. See if I can come up with a recipe, baby. Child. Get him started. First, I'm gonna come with a little cinnamon. Just a little. Not too much cinnamon. Because, baby, I don't like too much sweet. I'm going to come back with a little holy smoke just to kind of help with that smoky flavor. Alright? I'll come back with some Seasonings. Some soul seasoning. Some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, Mama Jones mixture, alright, I'm gonna do black pepper too, wake up this flavor in here. Rub him down, rub him down. All right, now I just need to get him worked on in. Oh, a little. I want it kind of sticky, you know. See, that corn syrup. You get that flavor in there. Work on up in there like that. Let me show you. Oh, I got a piece of paper towel under there. Well, I was getting this bad boy right. All right. We're gonna get him this rubbed on in there. Come back with this
door open.
rub him on down too. I don't know, a girl be creating some stuff, baby. Look at him. He look pretty already. Ooh, we need you. You stay right on in there, buddy. Now let's get this sauce. But this, that jerk seasoning, the peppers, and all that good shenanigans. I'm gonna rub it on up in there. Trying to see, can we get some like under the belly of it?
Carport door open.
Ooh, we're gonna stuff that in there, cause you know we're gonna can you get that out? Get the bill. That bill, he gonna be drunken. He gonna be drunk, baby. Ooh. Look at that. do this. Let's see. Take his legs and wrap them up. And I started to put it in my rotisserie, but like, nah, I want to try this on the grill. All right, I'm gonna take his body. Hopefully he sit up on the grill like I want him to, need him to. Want him to, ooh, dang. Move this. Okay, I taste a little bit. The spice is there, but the flavor now. But we got to get the flavor right too on here. Okay, now I'll open this bill. Stand him up like that. I'll take that bill and you're gonna sit that bill on him like that. So we still stand up on the grill. His butt big. Come on now. Don't do that to me. So we're gonna take this seasoning and put down again. My bill is shaking up on me. All right. I have to put a pan on there to make it braise. So we just gonna let it the juices flow. Look at it. Look like we got y'all see? We just stuff them on back in there some kind of way.
Carport door open.
So we're gonna have to balance this bad boy. I got to figure out what I'm gonna use to balance it. Probably some pans or something. All right, gang. I'm gonna sprinkle some season on the outer layer of them. I wonder, cause I got 2 cans in there. Oh yeah, he could sit on the grill just like that. Yes, honey, yes. Let me sprinkle. I'm gonna sprinkle a little seasoning on top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Baby, this drunken jerk. Yes, honey, yes. I'm gonna smoke up the neighborhood. This young. Yes, honey. Look at him, look at him, look at him, baby. Look at him, look at him. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. We got him ready for the grill. I will put him on there in a little bit. We need to let them flavors sit on through and marinate on through that honey, cause this here, yes, Lord, yes, stay tuned. All right, gang, so I done put the turkey on there. Now we finna just let it smoke and slow roll it. Yes, honey. Stay tuned. I can't wait to try. Ooh, I know y'all see it, honey. That drunken jerk turkey, baby. Y'all. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, with the yeah.
Head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang. On that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head.